Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your very own TradingView account. Now, to begin, TradingView is an app used for trading and crypto investments. So if you're looking forward into that type of stuff, TradingView is a great option. To begin, we're going to open up google.com, go right here and write TradingView. From there, it should be tradingview.com right here. Make sure you go to the right account, the right website. From here, we're going to press on Get Started, and as you can see, it is loading. Now, as you can see, $0 right now, forever. But to truly start, you want to use Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium. Now, this is not what we're here for. Today, I'm showing you how to make an account. So right here, we're going to press on the top right here, and we're going to press on Sign In. From there, you have options to sign in using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn. But if you wish to not use any of these options, you simply have to press down here on email. Now, you can put your username or email. For me, I'm going to do username, which will be Rebel, and password, whatever you wish. Make sure it's something memorable, as you want to know the password of your crypto account, because you'll be making money in there. So actually, let me rewrite that. And you want to check the Remember Me tab. From there, we're going to press on Sign In. And, oh, excuse me. So this is Sign In. We want to actually come over here and press on Sign Up. And same procedure. So username. And you need to put in your email. Sorry, wait. And password. And check this. You have to do the verification or not. And you want to press on Create Account. Now, this username's taken. I'm going to do something like that. It doesn't really matter. I'm not going to be using this. Now, as you can see, I need to select all squares with buses. There you go, and create an account. From there, your account is not active yet. We have to verify our email. In order to verify your email, we're going to press right here. I'm going to go to my main profile, and you're going to go to gmail.com. I'm sorry, that should have worked. Oh, Gary Jr. And I do not know the password actually, so yeah, wait, there, give me a second, guys. Um, okay, so I managed to log in, and as you can see, if we open up our Gmail, you should see that, wow, it's taking a while. There we go, TradingView has sent us a confirmed email address. We're gonna press on Activate Account, and if we go back here, we can refresh, and now we're gonna press on Sign Up. And from here, we're going to press on email, and we're going to log in using exactly what we put in. And as you can see, we're successfully logged in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.